In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for candidates on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Finding the right candidates for a job can feel overwhelming, but with tools like Indeed, it becomes much easier. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Indeed.com. You're going to want to start at the homepage, which is clean and user-friendly. At the top, you'll see a search bar. This is where you will input the job title you're looking to fill, along with the location. For example, if you're looking for a marketing manager in New York, type in marketing manager and New York into the respective fields. Once you've entered your criteria, click on the Find Candidates button. This will bring you to a page displaying various candidates who match your search parameters. You'll notice that Indeed has a variety of filters on the left side of the screen. These filters are incredibly useful for narrowing down your results. You can filter candidates by their current job title, years of experience, or even their education level. Feel free to play around with these filters. Let's say you're looking for someone with at least 5 years of experience. Simply select that option and watch how your candidate list starts to refine itself. This is a great way to ensure that you're viewing candidates who meet the minimum qualifications for your position. Now, as you scroll through the candidates, you'll see their names, locations, and job titles, along with the date they last updated their resume. Pay close attention to their summary. This is often a quick way to gauge if their skills align with what you're looking for. If someone catches your eye, click on their profile to see more details about their experience, skills, and education. If after viewing a profile, you think this candidate might be a great fit, Indeed offers a convenient way to reach out. Look for the Message button, which allows you to send them an introductory message directly. This step is crucial because it helps you create a connection before they potentially get lost in the shuffle of other job applications. Don't forget to save profiles that intrigue you. Indeed lets you save candidates, which is especially helpful if you're browsing through many profiles at once. Simply click the Save button, and you can revisit these candidates later without having to sift through your initial search results again. Next, if you're using the company account feature, take advantage of the candidate management tool. This tool allows you to track where each candidate is in your hiring process, making it simple to keep organized. Here you can also add notes on candidates you've spoken to, what processes they've completed, and any additional comments that help keep everything organized. Finally, don't overlook the importance of following up. After reaching out to candidates, give them a little time to respond, but don't hesitate to follow up if you haven't heard back in a week or two. Communication is key in the hiring process. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to search for candidates on Indeed. I hope you found this information helpful. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Happy hiring, and see you